So if a girl calls you cute when you're 15 years old, congratulations, stud, because this means she wants to make out with you. But if you're over the age of 21 and a woman calls you cute, this means I do not find you sexually desirable. Being called cute as a man is literally like the kiss of death of attraction, right? Because kittens are cute, grandmas are cute, you want to be hot, you want to be sexy, and today, you are gonna be. Today, I'm going over a 30-day plan to help you transform from a cute dude to a sexy stallion. Sex appeal. The whole goal of this little process that's going to take approximately 30 days is all about boosting your sex appeal to whoever you're interested in getting sexy with. You know, when I think about cute, I think about average, right? Average dudes aren't bad looking, they're not great looking, women aren't necessarily going to want to jump their bones and rip their clothes off, but they're adequate. But the good news is that you can take somebody who is adequate and turn them extra sexy by doing a few specific things. Step number one is your body. I'm not going to go into a whole long spiel of like why you need to exercise, but bottom line is this: sexy dudes have nice bodies. Cute dudes are doughy and soft. Over the next 30 days, gentlemen, it's time to take your fitness more seriously, not to mention your diet, all right? Diet is one of those things that will have a dramatic impact on the way that you look, right? You reduce your calories for a week, you're gonna see a difference. You start going to the gym if you're not already, it's gonna make a difference. Your body is gonna feel better, it's gonna look better. You also are gonna look better naked. Down below, I've got the Alpha M diet plan. It's the diet plan that I've been using for years. It works. I also am gonna link to a few workout plans if you guys are interested in getting my advice on how to build a better body and look better naked. Step number two is your style, right? Average dudes have average style. They're fine. It's coordinated, it matches, it's nice and well pressed, but it's not sexy, it's not alpha, it's not you. Gentlemen, here's the deal. What I want you to do is get honest with yourself. It's time for you to go find your outfit of sexy awesomeness, right? Whether or not it's a new pair of jeans that fit you flawlessly, a badass pair of fashionable sneakers, or some kicks or double monk strap shoes, maybe even Chelsea boots, a t-shirt, a Henley, a shirt that fits you flawlessly, that makes you look amazing, maybe some type of outerwear, a denim jacket, a bomber. Gentlemen, go to the mall, go shopping, buy yourself one outfit that makes you feel amazing. Step number three. Facial hair, grow it if you don't have any, right? 10-day stubble, sexy, right? We've already talked about that. I'm assuming if you don't have facial hair, you either A, can't grow it, or you've tried and it's a little bit patchy. What I recommend over the next 30 days, let it go, let it grow. Edge up the boundaries, up on your cheek, underneath your chin, and let's see what happens. Facial hair is kind of like the equivalent to makeup for women, right? You'll have some woman who's like not super sassy, right? She'll throw in a little smoky eye, some lipstick, and you're like, damn, baby, you want to make out, right? Same thing happens with dudes with beards. You can have an average looking dude, super cute, throw a beard on him, boom, sexy as hell. Step number four is Operation Sexy Face, all right? How you gonna do it? Simple, it's easy, right? T. Shanley, I've talked about it 6,000 times. It's the quickest, easiest thing you can do to have glowing skin that absolutely pops with sexiness. Guys, sexy people have sexy skin. Overnight, literally, you're gonna notice a difference when you actually start following our system and using our products on day one. Guys, hit the link down below if you're ready to take your looks to the next level, right? Stop being cute, stop being average, stop being greasy, blackheady, and blemishy. Be sexy, be handsome, be awesome. Hit the link. It's gonna give you 30% off whichever system you wanna grab. We've got 3 different options. Level 1, that's a basic beginner system. It comes with the core 4 products that each and every one of you need to use at a minimum, right? It comes with a face wash, use that twice a day, morning and night, to remove the oil, the dirt, the grime that builds up. Twice a week, use the scrub. It's gonna remove the top dead layer of skin. It's also gonna bring new, fresh, sexy skin to the surface. And then 2 moisturizers. Morning, you need one with an SPF of 20, and then evening, that's the one that a lot of guys miss, right? You gotta give your skin what it needs while your body is sleeping and healing and recovering, so that when you wake up, boom, right? Exactly, sexy. All right, that's the basic system, level 1. If you're new to skincare, start there. Or a little bit older, like me, go with the level 2, which comes with the core 4 products, but also the anti-aging eye cream. It literally fights dark circles, puffiness, and crow's feet, making your eyes look sexy. All right, or if you want to use the system that I use, go with level 3. It comes with the core 4 products, the eye cream, but also an anti-aging serum to fight free radical damage, also help even and tighten your skin. 2 minutes, that's all the time it's gonna take for you to have amazing skin. And in every system, guys, you're gonna get this. It's an instruction card that tells you what time of day today to use what product, in what order, and even how much. We literally have taken all the guesswork out of you having amazing skin. Guys, now is the time. And right now, like I said, you're going to get 30% off whichever system you grab, but you're also going to get, for a limited time and while supplies last, a badass, super sexy free gift. Guys, you don't want to miss this offer. You also don't want to have a nasty, ugly face. Gentlemen, T. Shanley literally will make you more handsome, but you've got to be the one that takes action. Gentlemen, now is the time. Hit the link down below. Do not wait. The easiest thing that you can do to automatically improve the look of your face and be sexier is have handsome skin. Gentlemen, now is the time. Do not wait, because the sooner you start, the sooner your face is going to be sexy. Over the next 30 days, are you kidding me? You're going to go from average, cute, okay face to super sexy, amazing, godlike skin. The next step, gentlemen, number 5, this one also is important, all right? It's all about your grooming and your hygiene, all right? We just took care of your face. Your face is going to be set. You're going to have a beard. You're going to be sexy. But nose hairs, do you have them? If so, get rid of them. Your hair, what does that look like? Are you balding? Are you receding? Do you need to go to Bosley? Are you somebody that needs to upgrade your hair products or maybe change the style? Gentlemen, now is the time. Average, cute dudes have average hair. If you're ready to elevate it next level, do a little Google search, right? One of the best things that you can do in order to find a new style, if there's a celebrity that you know that has hair similar to you that you kind of like, do a Google search for that celebrity, right? You got to make sure that your hair has similar texture, color, and density, because if not, then you're not going to be able to do the style. Do a little Google search, or better yet, you can just search for medium length men's hairstyle, brown, thick hair, or widow's peak hairstyle, or thin, blonde hairstyles for men that are sexy. It doesn't matter. Google search whatever. You're going to get a ton of different styles, different looks, right? Find one that you dig, all right? Take it to a stylist and have them execute it. Now, let's talk about the rest of your body. If you need to groom it, do it. If you got a big monster man bush, eliminate it. Nobody wants to go down to visit Big Al if you got a monster man bush, because the monster man bush not only is going to make your wiener look itty bitty, it also is going to trap odor and make your balls even more musky. Gentlemen, bottom line is this: if you're ready to execute and upgrade the quality of your nuts, invest in a high quality powder like the Pete and Pedro powder. It's going to keep you fresh, dry, friction-free, and smelling amazing. And then, while we're at it, we got to talk about those feet, because if you literally look like a possum that could scurry up a tree, game over, cute, death punch to the nuts in terms of attraction. Speaking of scent, gentlemen, that's something else that you need to upgrade right now. Don't wait. Today, do not wait, because seriously, one of the quickest, easiest things that you can do other than just basically have amazing skin is smell incredible, right? That can set you apart from everybody else, because average, everyday dudes are wearing Sauvage. Not that Sauvage doesn't smell good, but it's average, it's cute, it's basic, it's boring. Do better than Sauvage. The next step is going to be one of the harder ones for you, and that is quit drinking. I want you to stop drinking for 30 days, all right? Not only is it going to make you feel better about yourself, the confidence is going to skyrocket. And that's one of the things that sets cute dudes apart from sexy ass bad boys that women want to get sexy with. Confidence. It's an inner belief and strength in yourself, right? Not only is quitting drinking going to benefit you in like every aspect of your life, because literally that's what happened with me. I quit drinking because I wanted to quit actually chewing tobacco, right? I had a nasty habit. Anyway, I quit, and the amazing thing is that I felt so much better about myself. I felt like I was more confident. I looked better, because once again, we're trying to get that body straight, right? And if you're drinking a bunch of empty calories, or you're drinking a lot of beer, which decreases your testosterone level and increases your likelihood of developing man boobs, because your estrogen level is higher because of the phytoestrogen in hops. Gentlemen, I'm telling you, there is no bad thing that happens with not drinking. You're also going to save money, which means you'll have money to actually take her out on a date, because gentlemen pay, or to go get a new sexy outfit so that you're ready to rock her world. Body language, right? You got to step it up, gentlemen. Here's the deal. Cute average dudes, they stand like this, right? They walk like this. They're not like yo, right? You want to be like yo when you're sitting, when you're standing, when you're talking, when you're engaging, when you meet somebody. Your hands aren't in your pockets. You're not making eye contact. You're not shaking hands like a puss. Gentlemen, sexy dudes have sexy body language. But if it's hard, what's hard? Seriously, like tell me what's hard? Remembering, gentlemen, it takes practice. And that's a beautiful thing. Over the next 30 days, if you implement and practice and develop the things that we're talking about in this video, you are literally going to transform from a cute average dude to a sexy beast that she wants to literally do bad, naughty, sexy things to. Unless, of course, you neglect to actually implement the last and possibly most important tip. All right, here it is. Ready? The last step is you got to stop kissing her ass. You got to understand that pretty girls are a dime a dozen. Don't be impressed by pretty. Be impressed by somebody that is a good person, that also wants to be with you and treat you with the respect, courtesy, and love and admiration that you deserve, because you are the most amazing dude in the world. It's time to work on your confidence. It's time to work on your attitude. It's time to work on your obsession with women. Don't be obsessed with them. Be kind to them. Be courteous. Be aware of them, right? Nothing wrong with that, but don't be a simp. Gentlemen, bottom line, I want you to be more than cute. I want you to be more than average. If you implement these strategies and these tips, by the end of 30 days, you are literally going to be a panty-dropping assassin.